Renau just launched a new line of Pixie cut wigs, and today I happen to have the human hair version of these wigs. This is Demi in the color 6F27. She is made with REMY human hair, which means you can style this one any way you want to. You may not want to style it the way I have mine styled, and that's okay. You can take it to your stylist and have it trimmed. Look at this beauty. Light density, excellent lace front, multiple colors available. If you want to know more about this gorgeous REMY human hair wig from Renau, then stick around. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I am so grateful for the opportunity to show you guys this wig today. When this wig arrived, I was over the moon. I could not believe it. I have never had a short human hair wig like this before, ever. It's incredible and required very little styling out of the box. I really just sprayed a little bit of water. I kind of messed it up. I used a hair dryer to get a little bit of volume. I used a little Renau Peace Out cream to make it a little of a messy look because that's my preference. And that's really all I had to do. But if you wanted to curl this wig, truly you can make this your own. And I love that they've reimagined the Pixie with a little bit more length on the top. I just think it's going to work for a lot more women because you can always shorten the wig, but you can't add hair. So, well, you can't, I can't, maybe someone can, but this way I think more women are going to get the benefit of being able to have a really great style by a really well-loved brand with features that you're used to having, which can be one of the challenges in the human hair wig world. Now, this wig is available at 𝗏. I can save you money with a coupon code, and I will put a link in the description box below. This does come in other colors. The color I have is 6F27, which we'll talk about in a little bit. But if this isn't the color for you, you can always get a different color. And because this is human hair, you can have it colored. Now, generally, it's not recommended that you lighten a human hair wig because they've often gone through quite a bit of processing already. But if you wanted to add a root or low lights, or even just fully change the color by adding color, you can absolutely do that. So if they don't currently carry a color that you would prefer, consider the fact that you could get a color lighter than you think that you would like so that you can either add rooting, low lights, color, whatever you'd like. Let's take a look at Demi, and I hope I'm saying it right. I'm filming this before there's any other content available about this wig. It's a brand new launch. It could be Demi, but I'll stick with Demi. Let's look at her from all sides. It's such a cute cut, you guys. I absolutely love the cut in the back. Now, one of the things I'm struggling with right now is I'm between buzzing on my hair. So that could pose a real challenge. The areas when I buzz my hair, when I'm between buzzing that I notice can be challenging are right here. And then I do keep this part of my hair long so that I can blend. And it's gotten to the point where it's actually longer than some short styles. And when I go to tuck it, sometimes it sticks out below. So if you are someone who likes to wear styles different than your bio hair, just keep in mind, if you're going to wear a style shorter, then you're going to have to make sure your bio hair is somehow contained. If it blends well with the color, you can get away with a lot. Mine doesn't blend with this color. So if you're seeing my bio hair poke out here and there, just forgive me for that. But that is something that if I were wearing this out and about, and I'll be honest with you guys, I really think I will wear this wig. It is really lightweight. It's so great. Then I will just deal with that when the time comes. But for the purposes of this review, I wanted to point that out. Renau has really knocked it out of the park with this one. The lace front is incredible. I have noticed the lace is a little longer than on some pieces, which is not actually a bad thing, and it's really not showing up on me. It's just seamless. If it were to show up though, I like to cut lace with a pinking shears, a scalloped edge scissors that creates a little scalloped line, edge. so that it would help to blend. So if you struggle at all with lace showing up, or maybe it's a little too long for your preference, you can trim that back, but this is pre-cut, so you don't have to. A lot of human hair wigs come with long lace, long like this long, and you have to cut the lace back yourself. You don't have to do that on this one, which is phenomenal. And why I think some people prefer to go with the major name brands like John Renau for human hair, especially if you come to human hair from synthetic or heat-friendly synthetic, because you're familiar with the brand, you're familiar with the cap, and oftentimes you're familiar with the colors. So there are a lot of benefits. This is extended lace, ear tab to ear tab. We've got super, super soft ear tabs, and they're actually pretty thin with bendable stays. This is a full mono top, so you can part it anywhere that you would like. You'll see a sort of checkerboard pattern. I've heard people wonder what that is. That's just because this has a bunch of different colors in it. It's just the different colors of knots that are in there. This is all hand tied. So we have got a mostly hand tied cap, which helps with the realism and the incredible lightweight feel of this piece. There are some closed wefts toward the bottom. We do have an extended nape, and then we've got Velcro adjusters. This wig feels like virtually nothing. It's so incredibly lightweight. If you're worried about wigs being hot in the summer, or you struggle with just the feel of something on your head, this wig is going to feel really nice. It's so lightweight. It's super, super breathable. Because this is made with human hair, there is no permatease on this one at all. So you do not have... Sometimes permatease can act like an insulation on a wig, and it can contribute to the trapping of heat and make a wig hot. This isn't gonna have any permatease, so it's super lightweight, super low density, just beautiful. And because it is mostly hand tied, this whole top looks really natural. It's gonna move really naturally. If you go to curl it or style it, it's gonna look like scalp for the most part all the way through. So you can get creative with this, and if you wanted to shorten this length, you absolutely can, because it is mostly hand tied. Now the fit on this is fairly average. I would say that this feels like it's an average fit, slightly smaller than average potentially. I am getting extra cap up here, and I'm actually getting a fair amount of extra cap. So you can be quite a bit bigger than me over the top of your head, because I am not filling this cap out, and I can somewhat, without pulling my own hair out, I can a little bit pull the cap down over my ears. So the ear to ear isn't huge. I would say it's probably more the front to nape where it's a lot bigger, and I'm getting a lot of extra cap, and I'm getting pretty good coverage on the sides here. So I would say it's true to average, slightly smaller than average. Where I think it's fitting a little bit smaller is the circumference. I have not really, it's cinched in slightly, but not very far, and I really don't feel the need to cinch it in. I actually think I could wear this pretty comfortably even without a wig grip, which is wonderful, because then I don't have to add another layer to my head in the summer. And I love hand-tied caps when I can just touch my head and feel nothing but head. I feel no cap here. It just feels like my head and my hair. And so not putting a wig grip in there to contribute to the unnatural feeling that can happen is wonderful. Just playing with her so you can see. You can fluff her up. I love short wigs when I tuck them behind my ears, but there is a little bit of length here. So if you're not an ear tucker and you actually want your ears partially covered, I think there's enough length to do that depending on your measurements and how this lays on you. I think we covered all the major segments: fit, density, no permatease. I think if you like short hair and you're looking for a human hair wig, this could be one to consider. I think you're going to get a very long life out of this one. It should last you years easily. The only thing that can potentially start to fail on this might be the lace if you're not careful with how you put it on and take it off and maybe stretch it out or fray it. But the hair itself is going to last years and years and years. And I know some people who can replace lace on wigs. So if your lace on your human hair wig does start to fail, I have some resources for you. They can replace the lace. They can ventilate more hair in, meaning add more hair to the wig if they need to. If a wig that you have is starting to shed, because that's the other thing that can sometimes happen over time, those things can be remedied. So there really is no reason why you would have to replace this wig for years and years. It's phenomenal. They did a great job. It's spendy, but I do think you're going to get value out of it. Let's talk about this color. All right, we've got direct sunlight. So remember, direct sunlight is going to mute contrast. It'll warm up colors some. On this one, there's really not a lot of dimension or contrast, so that's not really an issue. This isn't rooted. It's definitely more on the red. I would definitely call this kind of a light auburn, reddish color. Even though this has a 6 in it, it really isn't a brunette. I don't see much in the way of brunette on this color. Really excited about this one. Thanks for watching. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.